in one sentence, I want to say for Hyderabad, it's almost like home for me. I don't feel like I'm outside the house.
How about you?
It feels relieved actually, because there was crazy traffic in Bangalore yesterday and we were struggling in the midst of it. So today, to be in Hyderabad without actually getting stuck in traffic, we are very relieved actually.
Been here a few times. Good afternoon everyone, my name is Angad Bedi. I'm really looking forward to the food here. Yes, I've heard the biryani and the kebabs are something which are extremely special, so yes.
Okay. Pink. Actually, pink is a color for a lot of people, but for us here, pink is synonymous with strength. When we were doing this film, we realized, even before that actually, that a lot of stereotypes are associated with the color pink and with the women. So with this film, we want to break those stereotypes. So pink will emerge as a color of strength after pink. Actually, for Nizam area, I have been given the onus and responsibility to have a good opening. Please, please, please give me a good opening and a good collection from Nizam area and all over Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Please, please, please give me a good collection.